Hello everyone, this is Providencia. Welcome to my channel. I am here to show you how to make yellow rice with vegetables. I like to make this all year round, but the holidays is coming soon. So if you want to combine it with your Thanksgiving dinner or Christmas dinner, this will do. It's very delicious and yeah. So let me show you how to make it. So I have my big caldero here and I'm gonna be using bacon grease. I reserved some bacon grease from some green beans that I did. So check that video out. And I reserved it for it to add more flavor to the rice. Now considering that I didn't have enough bacon grease, I ended up using some corn oil. So altogether you're gonna need at least a spoon and a half of oil, whether it's bacon grease or corn oil. When I'm talking about big spoons, I'm talking about the big cucharones, the one that we cook our rice in, okay? Just keep that in mind. Next, I'm gonna add some ranchero. This is a sazon líquido. It's very, very good. If you do not have this and you have sofrito, by all means, you could use sofrito. I'm gonna add about a cucharon to a cucharon and a half of ranchero. Why? Because I'm making a lot of rice. It may look like a lot to you guys, but trust me, it's not. Next, I'm gonna add these ham cubes. It's called caldo con sabor jamón. But if you don't have this one, you could definitely use the Goya one. I inserted a picture for you guys to see it. But I don't know, lately I've been liking the Nora ones. But anyways, I'm gonna add 2 cubes. Next, I'm gonna add some sazon. I only added one now, but I ended up using another one later on in this video. You're gonna see it. I'm gonna add some oregano. You can add as little or as much as you want. I love oregano. It's like one of my favorite spices, so I like to add a lot. I'm gonna add pepper. You want to let that simmer for a few minutes for that way all the flavors could come together. Also with your spoon, try to smash the ham cubes because, you know, sometimes it doesn't, I don't know. You just got to smash it because sometimes you'll have it in your rice if you don't smash it. I'm going to add an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. I'm gonna add some onion powder. You can add as little or as much as you want. Remember, this is a big pot, so I'm adding a lot. And I'm gonna also add garlic powder, as little or as much as you want. Just make sure that none of those ingredients says onion salt or garlic salt, because then your pot of rice is gonna be salty. There goes my husband testing it out, making sure the flavors is on point. So here's the part that I'm adding the other packet of sazon. You want to taste as you go to make sure everything tastes good. Now I'm using medium grain rice. That's my preferable rice. I really don't like long grain rice anymore. I don't know why. I just love medium grain rice. And I'm adding 8 cups. Now, I don't know if you're making long rice or medium grain rice, but just follow the directions in the back of the bag and it'll let you know how much cups to how much water you can add. Mix everything up. At this point, you're going to want to put your fire on high because you want your rice to get dried up. I'm going to add some culantro, but if you don't have culantro, add cilantro. I also decided to add some salt. Remember, taste as you go. I'm going to add frozen green peas and frozen corn. You could also use frozen vegetables, like mixed vegetables. That's what I had on hand. And I would suggest make sure it's frozen, not from a can, because towards the end, when you're turning the rice, you don't want your vegetables to get all smashed up and mushy. No. So please, the frozen vegetables. I'm also adding some slices of red pepper. If you don't have red pepper, use some pimientos that come in a jar. That works just fine. Here I am adding my frozen vegetables. I wish I would have had carrots that day, but I didn't have no carrots. Now you're going to wait for your rice to dry up. While you're turning the rice, make sure you also scrape from the bottom. My rice is dried up, so I'm gonna try to form it into like a mountain. You're gonna want to do that because you don't want none of that sticky rice or pegado or con, however you say it, like on the side of your rice. Okay, so try to just form it into like a ball right in the center, like a mountain. And here I am taking pictures, doing videos for TikTok, Instagram. Yes. If you guys don't follow me there, all of my social media information is down in the description box below. Follow me there. Most likely you'll see recipes there before it comes to YouTube. I'm going to add some aluminum foil, put the top on, and then you're going to want to put it low. I am going to cook this for at least 40 minutes, 40 to 45 minutes because it's a lot of rice. During the last 10 to 15 minutes, stir your rice, cover it up, and cook it for another 10-15 minutes more. Now, I'm sorry I lost the clip of when the rice was completely done in the caldero, but here's the last clip right here where it's in a tray. I decided to add this clip because this is last year's Thanksgiving dinner. All of those recipes is in my channel. Check them out, or you could do it this year for your family. Recipes from start to finish. So all those recipes is in my channel. If you cannot find those recipes, just look under the playlist holiday recipes and you'll find them all there and other recipes as well. This rice is really good, but again, you could use it with frozen vegetables, like a variety of different ones, or you could just use the peas and the corn, or you could do peas, corns, and carrots. That's what I would have preferred, but I didn't have no carrots, so you do it the way you want to do it. Remember, taste as you go in case you gotta add more salt, because you want your rice to be flavorful, not bland, okay? This rice is delicious and I highly recommend that you make it for your family, either for Thanksgiving, for Christmas, or any time throughout the year. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a like. Please show love to my videos. Watch my videos and give it a like. Share it with your friends and family for my channel can grow. I also want to wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving. Please be safe. And yeah, that's it. Take care. God bless. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.